Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Travel and See TV show. My name is Felicia Na, but you can call me Beautiful Felicia 1. And I'll respond to you, Ogambachi in Burundi, when you are from Uganda, when you are from Nigeria, Eka Alo, Eka So, when you are from the Francophone countries, such as Côte d'Ivoire, Cameroon, France. Bonjour, comment ça va très bien. When you are from the GCC countries, such as UAE, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, I'll respond to you, Kef Hali, Ushlone, Tamam. When you are from my motherland, Ghana, I'll respond to you, Tete, Kongeke, Etiseng, Otiden, Miami Fwan, Mia Wezon, Yade, Yawale. Welcome to Travel and See TV show. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, share, like, press the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to see. We go for commercial break. We will be right back. Yamawakwaba Ediba Travel and See TV show is your frozen. Cynthia then.
Cynthia Mensa, but the Nippon and the name is Cynthia.
The Nippon in a said, do na,
oh, you in your music.
Yeah, Daniel, yes. Why a Star Cynthia. Travel and See TV show, a experiencer, a war acquaint to, and now woman. Omuwo akwantu ana say experience awabenya ewa akwantu mu ena ye pese ube share se na ebe ya fofra omu prepare mu se omu betu kwan abano se omu bana wo mbe face sa experience na omu benya enkran share bi se o sister Cynthia Krampo wa fani say ana say na esi ye enti experience no
yo ahwefo Madam, sister, I want my coin, say, being Cassa. Na men caddy minim kakra, na wona mo so mo fanya futu.
Me pa cho o you we ha en fie dodo sen.
Me pa cho me 4 months manya 6 years.
Oh, why are dear 6 years the experience in the wo.
Me pa cho kakra me nima ese me kan obi a de tu me fo. Me di free Ghana ba na nya easy na me pa me ni nda say me tu kwanya ko baby. Na me ni nda say me tu kwanya ko baby but impromptu ene bae. Na me ba no me fanye m kakra ma me nim say it
to send me my ben.
Okay. Before na your passport na nya easy.
Now busy kuma
na me busy wa kra na me wo danso man.
Okay.
Na me wo danso man.
Na me area.
Okay. Wa na me wo. Enti ekoba say akwanya pa say ese mba Dubai no. Even passport ye kra no. Na nya ni easy.
We need lotteries and say agents soon now fire.
Me patcho me sister penny wa say.
Okay.
And ekoba say baby a wo ye adwuma no nya adwuma mo kwan.
Okay. Na adwuma ben sa na no.
Me patcho ye force adwuma.
Omuton force. Okay.
And o ka tell me say onya adwuma mo kwan ti no. Membra. Ti ye start say ye passport. Na passport no mo nya ni easy. Passport no kwa di be 5 months.
And sana.
And
say adwuma no be from Samo.
Sister. Na me sister the pressure esi me so. Se mon ka mo ho ma wanta ma ye adwuma ne ma obi.
Oh.
Na eja ye ne mma na passport ye sakai. Ye sakai ya kura ne be ba kura no. Eno so kura na even visa je no kwa na so akoye program.
But me say anka akonya be da ha no. Na a company na say who sister no di ni pe e invite to e baha
Me pacho. Na ye me sister na se bia wo ye adwuma no.
Okay.
O adwuma ye fo ne pen boss fo ne penase.
Okay.
Enti no wo nua no mo ho fo mo mra.
Okay. Because niami ni say you we had here. Say company bi ehia obi oni ni be ye adwuma. Omo timi ye direct employment. And no more visa direct. And yes, I feel a one casa who could chain woo into Nema, Mr. Sanya Clema, chef one.
Just the way that so I'm waiting. Me patro I made the anko yes.
Okay.
Ya me the kwa ya say me ana yes me try me take it. E me bi bia me deba. Nti me face challenge kakra. Me onim me bia visa je ne be ye din. But as dan kan ya me say bibia ye okay. E me ye de bai na ye ba no so kra no. Na me full plane da. Na me full plane na sister. Aba pa pa.
Meba. O si asida enkanyame. Na chese ni nyine mu no nyame ni hene. Na obi a on tina play mu da. O ba be tina play mu. Ye hwe na esi ye.
Sister, na me ti play mu. Na play you wo so segigi na me ho wo so. Enya asam keto o. Agafo wa won tina play mu da. Ye mo mpa ye se obe wo so be nya sikeri bi na wa to kwan bi wai na.
Amen.
Obi a fa nye bibi bi free fan to na.
Amen.
Play mu tina de ede.
Amen.
Ede pa ede. Play mu tina de ede. Na obedru a no ne asa wo ne a.
We are transit like Ufa Ethiopia and I say Ufa Emirates direct everybody.
Me pa cho be transit.
E we fa.
E wo Kigali.
Kigali. Okay.
On be transit. The honor transit no crown no sister. Ye chembe getting to 1 hour.
Oh my God.
Na ye play say this Saneba Dubai my sister in so ni wo. E just say me mo area for me to call me sika ye say. Na me discuss ko ton so say me no ne on so ni boy dit ma 1 hour is yet what just say come tie oh fitia no pa be 10 o'clock ni 2 o Ghana ni ya be duro bi cross ko na ye be duro ye aduane ensuo just say wo sika ka da sa so won o ba so be to kra na odura o ho ba kire so ati ase na ye mie ye ho na afide ye come de wa ma say sister enye yizi me si akonto de ahwefo me pese obi en to bi me pese me nua bi betra Ghana ka se e bia me ho so na me pa cho bo sika ne tu kwan ni bi na wo tu kwan so e ma wani bie wo tu kwan e ma wani bie
pese obi a en to bi ahwefo a mo hwe ye an experience every fear which is Ghana. All what she's trying to say is that it's not easy to travel. So just stay tuned, listen for her experience and learn something.
Sister, you be to airport. Na agent or dear buyer. See you for taxi, you have many fee.
Na oye obema na se oba.
Me patron na. Yes, oye bema on ne wife. On ne wife. And you know, you be do you know. Almost see you for taxi. I am from my sister. Yes, maybe a free baby German, you have a taxi, my German. My sister, taxi a fire, your bag, be papa, ye near this share, you be papa yet. Now, after the young you'll be a 15 of Papa Ponum, if you do a bed, number 6.
UAE, Ghana.
Me patch UAE time.
Okay.
Best, me pass the best, and a pass 6. And a pass 6, you do say. Next year, just say 2 Ghana no panel, you do the next day no panel.
Yes, some year transit, working Ghana.
You do the next day no panel. Next sister, just say 1 day no any day.
By now, sister Ewaha. Inti anka was say, on to me be show in Tema.
Sister, engineer, sister.
And now, Oko Juma. Okay.
Okay, Juma, agent now the man. Now, Bells, or no, as a mom's of airport storm. Or my friend, you'll see in your face, come for taxi, bra.
Or your gunning.
Or your gunning. Your father.
Na Obia, Uma Ahada. Our bedroom. A see ye then or see brana or patch say, who bedroom airport now for taxi. Now on money location and answer saying,
patch one canister. Bedroom and I fade it, you know. Brammy patch bedroom was more for taxi, baby the Ajiman. Yes, you are a fat taxi. You knew any in our part pie. Mean you about come home and anybody. Was he won't know who cross or to pay. Just a wire bus. You do ye. You're co agent in the hall. You do agent in the wire and trust or mind what the trust see our mind soon more. I was say, be on $50 more for ma. A Juman, the more comment for Monco. Brapa, na somebody walking was near $50 one farm among Quadumano. I was not saying Mrs. Tadame by the mobile, but one can't be Sanch, and the internet, you bet you $50. Or see a man farmer, Monco. Benny, Mrs. Camus made Betty. Me, assume me $50 the man. When you used to cheer an idiot. After the year was a young by the month, thank you $50. $900, sister. And you cheer $100 a man. Sister, you cheer $100 a man, and so them, and one in swallow the Maya, one or Tom, yes, I see came. I come a bit to see a favorite do my queen.
Queen, yeah.
I have famous a frozen free zone.
Free zone. And what you weigh high,
you weigh young. And what you could see, baby. Maybe what you could see, or see a journalist and company about cover by fire. Yet, not at the name, and we also chroma say. Yet, tonight we are almost 2 hours. If you fret tea, near J. Near chance a car by Ferry Cofina, Yakunia be a dummy and what your sister. Yet, what, 2 hours, not just any D. And swap packet. My sister, your chain and a company came with fire. Or what do you call company inside? And also, so yet, you so my journey at dinner and upon a bedroom basis o'clock.
So very day now, we be drew ye. And one seminal.
And once American sister, so very day no.
Once a one Jim won't be best 2-3 hours before.
As you can now, my party across our day, she said, you better feel what you are woman or me and drop a new and drop a new 1 hour. It's $50 no. What you did free? Why me and drop 1 hour. Sister, now what do you call company can't be fine or dear call ye? Your call this time company, your woman sister. No more year, Juma. And I'm seeing interest in chair woman. Sister Fitiano Park, woman, and Rena Edgian and Kayano. Na yet what was and I'm conferred you by if anybody. Sister Brianni, you want to work out me
Pakistani
for Adriani. Sister Adriani, the Kayano intimini. Yet the Kayano intimini, and soon no. A could run a Jonas, yes, I have Mr. Mapo Yonko Fia, a drum car, Filipino for my begum. Ye fair bass, I could like a man. Menamena said. Mina menana boy, bra. Miss, hey, I do my cruma come by a plate, my bra. See a family, and I'm a name of a black sister.
Oh, yeah, a conya at that, you
sister, Membrano. See a family. I feel dear, my name of boy, sister, men are men only. I feel a jolly tooth, dear, a dear chin ye, you're quite more. I'm for a semester on Pekeme.
I'll go for the
semester. Ain't your mom Pekeme? Oh, Neja. Mrs. Tabacona, no man, coin on the theatre, and you under a theatre, no my Pekin. Mrs. Tapa, Chosa, Neja, and go for your family. Me, a Juman, sister, and I am Kono, said the Etienne, Namadi, Juma. Enya easy nti akonto de enya easy kura enya easy sister me kasa me come once a man I don't know me who say me kan akosi but nyame aye bi
me who say na me kan akosi nanso nyame aye bi nti saa we mu ni nyina mu no otumi fe mu e wo yuwe kroya so die na ehye wo kran ama otumi fe mu abepim sabre ya wai kama nsi
sister be da se die me di si me ne so ne se me nya to kwan die enya dia me ko fie bi papa mo boni mo se me tsem na me hwe de nya me be ye me enti no die si ma bra bo mu nyina no me di si me ho to me ho fo se nya dia fie die me ko because me hwe ma afo no ma to kwan a bia ne me enti me to kwan papa mo boni mo se me tsem na me hwe de nya me be ye me enti me si me ne so na me ye adwuma kakra afidi ya katwe se de me my sister 1000 no mo so mbati visa fee no omo ti me 600 no mama me 400 dirham every month.
400 dirham every month. Na sa 1000 no mo di ma no wa na wo tua wa accommodation fee na say company e wa accommodation fee e na o mo ma mo aduane.
Me pacho no na o ma ye company accommodation no o ma ye bus but aduane de wa na beto aduane bibia.
Na sa 400 di etumi soon.
Sister no ya 400 no. Me tia me wo ba mama ne fie be 1 year krada. Ebro 1 year kra because 400 sister wo your ba wo di wo beto to niam nkete aduane a wo bedie so what ya say it is 400 dirham ne die na me su se me sister na me num ho kra say me ti me Ghana na me ya okay me ye me bibia koba na afre me ba obi cross so me tra me Ghana kra de me dwa me fi senka bia se sika no kebe bro nti no me twe ho bebre but na de na ehye me nkura ne se me tu kwanya dia me san akofie with empty hand nti no my imagine say adwuma no wo ne nkomo meye nti me koso ye adwuma na for 1 year me nya 1 year no na girls bia ye no mo ye adwuma omo bi omo contract ko we adwuma wa agema no nti mo ko we adwuma wa agema no mo nya adwuma no si yakonya adwuma nti no e ho de ye restaurant nti be se me yanko na msi yo no mo premasem na me so me premasem na me di omochi na me no mo koye nti ye koye no omo premasem e fa me dwuma na me no mo ye dwuma ti 3 months no na ye fene say visa mo de ma ye na employment visa.
Okay.
Nti na aka say mo de so mo de ye ko visa chi mo de ye ko medical mo de ye ko medical nti ko medical na nka menya ma ID. Enti ho na company ne benya problem. Ti problem no benya ye no. Omo antimi af man medical no. E na omo se mo nyanto boase e be so wo problem no ye de ma medical na mo benya ma ID. Ene ye CEO yate.
Into some time wo face all such challenge when you are going all through. Wo agent no we he.
Hey, agent ne so nya de wo bakro ha wie. When you were from her,
by me, sure say, and I said, yes, say, until say, won't you satisfy ya? Or no, so on,
no, I can't say, you want me to stand more, dear me, okay. So, no more, Mrs. Tamon, we have a mammy. The man I mean, say, Jumano, say, a Jumani bit here, and near Kachiamo de Mayeno. And boy, I mean, to Mrs. I read my whole Friday, Mamma Cachano, and a costro. It's not a me facing now, agent in the mamma. The na ekoso me life bia mu na ni na ahye me ame ho nti me benya adwuma wa agema na me ye no a visa sem ne kwaye problem no na afre sister mo se mo ntwen me so adwuma me cancel be me company ya me se wonya ma cancel ba foforo ti mo se me ntwen na me twen ya na sister me titimana overstay ba che me eno kwada me nim se ma overstay se wonya ka mo se me kuma hwe
na odi 3 months na free Ghana edi buy
me patch 1 month na me buy
1 month
patch.
Oh wow.
1 month. Inti me ba me sister mo me benya 2 weeks. E no mo ye me visa mama.
Okay.
So mo ye me visa for 2 years mama na me nya e ho 1 year no. E na me cancel me papers na me ba agema no. Ti me ba agema na me benya asa adwuma no. E na me ka cancel ho de no. E na me de be ye agema de no mo so mo employment visa. So mo de mama no medical e be ko no mo nya problem or company.
Okay.
It's no more see and chain, I'm best solve problem. I am continue. It's a good so yet, me go so yet, dry. It's like I said, sister, not just overstay any man, messy.
Not just say overstay na emuna ya shame. Nyame mwaye. Ashefo amo sheye. Travel and see. It's not easy to travel. Na se nyame aye wadum kra na se utu kwan no. Emu asem no eno ni experience a yesi ye di bremu mu a mu ye mu adwen se mu betu kwan se nye UAE ha se ye krofofro so e wo se wonya some experience because me sure say me sister Cynthia or experience ana se onim se ni se ana se obi atwa ne ho adafie mana anka edru ba bia obe shedding. Into Sister Cynthia, Udi mfie bɛyɛ ahe ɛwɔ ha ana busu bɛyɛ ahe ama utimi hu sɛ nneɛma ayɛ okay after visa change no nso no ukɔ ne sɛ
tama me de hu sɛ ma yɛ okay ndie 2 years yani
unya spend 2 years ni nyina
enti na ka me ka we no enti me benya asa adwuma wa adwuma no na me yana me nya o me start hu sɛ me yɛ overstay no na me yɛ overstay ne kwa for the sister start na mo twe ka fine na yɛ didi free my accommodation free enti na adwuma na every week bia no so no obama wa tips kakra benya bia 330 dirhams na that is near my tips every week yeah adwuma na restaurant no tips bia o mema wo bon begu box mama ya na ya chama ya ne workers enti every year bia no 2 weeks bia na menya 30 dirhams oh na ene me didi free na me ya okay enti na me dream bebre enti overstay na me komo no after the sister baby echi na say restaurant na ekọ form na after ya katwia abaya nwunran
ebio
sister na ya katwia abaya nwunran after ya etimi bro katwia go be 3 months na yemchi aka
oh my god
akatwia etimi go be 3 months na ada ebe kasa na de be mama katwia no ya ko mama 1 month sika
na
standby 2 months ti ya didi ma ya twa 1 year na ni na over 1 year over send me wo mo na me ninkrata after 5 months kwa ni enchi aka na dia na me famu yi so kro ma so de wo yina anya overstay a enya dia so ko we admo we bia company bia be fa wa fa on
say UAE mrana e wa ha no the laws in UAE say ubenya ukrata either your tourist 3-month visa or your resident 2 years
any ya okre ya okre ya okre
ase omulo a eda ho nti ahwefo a mo hweye agent for yesremo sa 1 month visa no mo sisama ye Ghana for kakra yesremo a nipa no se ne sika nso for 3 months wo agent no e ha ho kra sa wo be ye 1 month amano because 1 month na it say 1 week and 1 day uda na 1 month na ye den aso nti mesre me nua agent for no say wo ma mo pe UAE ha ba make sure say 1 month kra na 3 months
it's just overstay no na yeko nti you go overstay so after the sister baby a chire no we say to come papa be say me coffee because ma shede ma fam fitin ya me san be baby a ho ya e ho so ho chita san be to me after be say me coffee kura ene sister me je adwuma no kura tra fie bia 3 months me see adwuma mo da na ma koso mo fa me sika me na me overstay na ma me fa me ho come police na mo fa me coffee because my bread e wana bibi asa ha me kura me nua nyanto boase me nyame be ye na ma me kwa na ma san ko back with me ma san ko ya juma me de sa na me 2 years sister me 2 years after the company no cry be ko down no cramp the sister accommodation ye da e ko ba so mo nyi dan ni biem ama mo ka kire se e dan no mo nji biem ti no obi an ko be obetana me so me be ko ho na me ko
company accommodation
me pa chan company accommodation ama esi bo dem
that time no na adwuma na gu finally
na adwuma na gu ama me ka se me sika ba 100
na omuntimi nton ade na omuntimi mba restaurant or ana
ye ko ba ne se no mo de ka company de ka bebre
ebia na omukrata enso wo mo ho because UAE ha nia minim se o pese wo bie company a e so ntumi nya o trade lances o bank status bibia ye okay I think you are free baradia ni ade nti ebia na wo company no antisa na wo kwa adwuma no wo so timi find out omuma wo offer letter
me ba chama me offer letter
oma offer letter
chama de ma me come me company na me no kwa ti ase ko cancel me
okay
na bibia ye okay ama na nya me nko na me ye me nko na ma na ma ye was My dog so the first batch no
Ghana for nkwana different nationality.
Ghana for part na me ne me girl ne pe.
Mu ye mienu.
Me pa chan. Philippines, Morocco, your friend say Egyptian for
no, by now company no wine like India, Pakistan.
No, for Syria.
Of Syria. Okay.
And but na company no, ye di kan ye nkofo near your omo ye visa batch to batch. Enti batch first batch no ye omo nya visa, and me stamp omo passport no. But we call your catches omo police ba be checking ni ma omo nya fine. Na fine the door so. Enti na papa ba ko chia no on person obechia. Enti na ma every day bia na isi ka na epende. Enne ma papa ne ba afọ mo no. Enne ma papa ne ba afọ a afide ne ma be ye basa. Me be nya overstay ama my sister be bia dan e dan ne e be dan mo America ho asem. Papa ne so ndi menye dan ne biom. E be twa metem. E be twa nsuom. Yesu ye be bi akọ. Afide dan ye dem satam na show ni ginam. E dan ye dem esinim light nim ensuo nim. Ye dem for 3 months. For 3 months, sister na ye kupe.
Moya de charge mu phone. Moya de ho anajo mu so bobo, mu so kanea, moya de mu so torchlight. Moya ni say.
Pacha ko ba sa no. Security man no was ye hon. Ye ko no. Ni akosre ni de ye phone akosisi charge. Na ye hye dem wa na jo. Ni akwaji ye phone ni de be light. E de ahwa de ye nyina. Ye penso ye security man no. E na ye be ko. Enti yes ana for security man akora no ye ko no ho so be me ye biem o so mo tama so mo nko me pese me ye biem me mo bibie biem nko enti ma me bi of Africa so office so Mary so he e no ho se ye chin so wase o to one time ye ba no se mo mra mo fre ni esi Ghana e no wase mo mra da bia mo magin so wase mo fa nko dware e na ye nyen so wa ye dware na sister meni nemma papa ne hu se afide bi eda no enye e no koje wan wo e so ma ye na nye me nko ho fo bi no fo nyina aka ho
Mu ye be ya anye wo den ba
na eda ba ko ne nipa be 4 ni nipa be 4 ne wo da ba ko nti na da no ye miensa nti se imagine se 4 na ye yese nti okoje da ma ye ye team afidi ye ko wi achire no o se o pese on try na onye no ye visa ne maye nti o ko fa lawyer de court e mo start say o me friend ne ko ye template ni ade ya e no kura na chi kura be 1 year kana ye nti ho hwe nti one day me o ha na me stay bi me dina me so ma me ka me ti fi sister me nya adwuma.
Je say uba ye juma kakra wa benya ye for sa few months no no na wo dey kakra
2 years later na me ye no say ye kola papa ne ko su kire na wase mo nye 500 mi fan ko di
na mpacho wawo
me pacho me oba
wo ba
mi ye no
wo mi ye no
pacho
na eye den na otimi mane o
that's our sister yes dan kanya me say be ma na me ne wo ye no Satan ne do Satan me ka me bibia me fam bia kireo enti obia so anya dai e mo sa me wansi me ma chanya me nhira mo sama abo me ha me ba ma me obia mo me pa chanya bi
ade
bia be fine
amen bia be fine
enti no eno ena mo ko je dan ma ye no ye gumti ye me ka se me one day me toni na me tifie be yi me nya adwuma bibia nkoma se be di ya ye ko gina wo mo so na ye sika na e wo mo hono mama ye bi se emfa ko di ena me hwe di na me se bi one day na me se bi me ko Ghana me ntimi bi me ko Ghana ntimi a me de me wo me ne ma no me ne bra bi so ye free o there I feel message ko
okay
na me pack me ne ma nyina ena oba ko fi o fero fa me ne nyina ko ma no se ofa di me ne ma yo na me pesa me fa me ngoma police na police nchi me fa me mra fie no wasi yo mate and I made them call immigration. I say immigration for me didn't say my overstay. But saying coffee and more me. And I'm poor me dinner more me buy. And I must say first since I mentioned I'm some patching. And I must say Sika is a 1,005 for 2 years. Nina Sika uchi as a uchia now it's me coffee 1,005 until uchia 1,005 never 7 days now. I'm say Rade Mati. I'm not so much new. I'm so much me. And I'm a star bed. I'm a watch and I'm betting you printing. Be an old print, mammy. And I'm a bar. Oh, I'm a paper be a chair boss say. Dear, I come up with unionties. One of my overstaying. The moon cheer says it can hear. And mammy almost a chain. Now almost catch them say every day be a maybe Sunday say renew for 25 dram for every day. And to chain for 2 weeks and send a better. And I'm a share and I'm say Debbie, I did send a co idea. Mempene. And I'm a friend me brother home, Germany. And I'll catch me auntie. And I'm me auntie. And sending me scar. Or sending me scar. Almost send them 3,000. And I'm the coach. You the coach here in Nana. I sank 7 days. I me free. I say. And also crying easy.
I sank 7 days. I was saying free room. Not just say. According to Dubai law, no, we new company in a month me and dear mumran so. Or mumran and said, don't be overstay. Overstay no, I shall for what woo share. Overstay nanny say was a winya crata, obenya papers. I best soon a woman. Inti eba ni sano. Aka 7 days no, a dear century, and they see yama why kama say.
Yo, sister, what are you saying? Essentially, see and say, the coach says he can eat now, the coach champagne for it. Say, the Makochi and my baby, Mamma overstay for so many years, must not hold me passport, cross at all. It's a moon chase, a kind of munch, and I'm saying, yes, idea. You couldn't so bad, dear. Make it a man, maybe you could man for 1 city. Pam, what the other may call. As I mean, me and my baby. Ain't you know me for my child? Oh, for me, sick and I'm going to be mama. Na me fa kwa ye twa ticket na me ko visa change na me fa 3 months visa me room na me fa hwehwe adwuma me kan ya no se twen ye dis kan me ma wo ye dis kan me ma na 1 day na 2 day sister e be ka de a che ma 7 days na do me ko ho no me ko tra mo so fitia na jo o mo peso mo delay me ho na me ma fa ba ni jana ho anche no na me papa o pesa me nyo be sa se si am ticket ti ka ba me be ko fie. O pesa me sani overstay wa. Any other no sister ma form one cha wo mo. E wi ase utu kwa ko ba bia. Na wo ye din a se be fo ase. E se be bi no. Wo ye din kwa na wo so. No mo say yes. Wo so no. Wo nye se, wo nye ni paket wa sa. Nti ma fa wo ancha wo ma form one cha wo mo.
Edru ba bia enye din e wo se uhuso. Ahwefo a motie ye wo a wo pese wo to kwan nia opa kire na ne se ebia wo be action ni nche se ntokwa wakopeja dade ana krant ana to obi debi se wo ye obi a wo nkasa na wo suma na ye kasa ma wo adru ba bia wan kasa you walk into the office
and this time I go fa mempa blanket hibi. And I'm a family soon, and I'm a deco say, maybe any petty dinner. I'm a deco down, I say, yes, near to for my passport, Mamma, I'm for a sick. I'm a inquire. Also, now, after you will be able to say, why? I've done my chairman, brother, part show. Yes, slow, Yanto was here, a channel, who I be trying to take it among. No idea when I'm seeing your mother from me. And I need more didn't be very big on my every day. Or Munya. But you are more yammy reckless now, almost to be a bear find me in Chasson. And I'm a son of men black at him and I'm the cuckoo fee. Ain't it? Nina, I done me says, and now I didn't see and I do 12 o'clock over cinema. Must start it.
What's that view?
Ain't you know, the fear and opa. Sa to number 5. me da ho me ni di me su me da ho me ni di na mo frɛ me si bra ya me da ho na me hear me phone say send me message me hear na me take it and I me share me ka sorry and I sister me dey so crowd man dwale po me dey so go me ho na me fa ma tare share na me call company no me call am so take it ni enti $200 drama wo de be fa wo car wo de be call Sharjah airport na me se na mas na me je sikano na ni gidi me wie bibia kra satam Sharjah
airport na enu ye visa change
na me call for visa change
okay
me satam me call traffic and I'm say about 10 on rema na just overstay na ya chewa no na me dre me kasa na me kodru e me check me bibia na me call me kodru ye me ko drama de chin ye and I'm a visa buy me di pie
visa change no ukọ ni sen ye kọ ni sen e wo yuwe ya say wa free Ghana abaha with the 1 month 3 months visa e na ebe remo ama sa visa no asa set date wo ho nti expiring date achi no eno ni overstay no nti ukọ sisan krata ni bioma ukọ airport no na wakot na airport na say u ye transit na ukọ baby
me pa cho take it na dia ma no me hwe tama o plane me through nti no me
tena ukọ crowford
me pa cha yo be full plane na kwa asamba nti no ye twe wo airport wo kakra ma ade achi me fa say me koduro be tena me tena wo sama ne bo no ade achi ewia 4:00
okay
I said me plane ba me fo ye me fa say be 30 minutes it's a 40 minutes and I call ye see ye mo be see ye de trem ye be visa change na ya insi form ye trem plane mu na
esa fa
esa da na ye ho na ye sa bai
okay
ti ye bai na ye pira me visa na ba me be dru ye na me visa na ba
okay
na me di pia
sa na ye visa
ba cha na me visa na ba me di pia ye ti me ba ye no na company ne sa dwen se me sa ba ye adwuma mo na me ka say so mo de me ka almost 7,000 sister send na me say ka 7,000 dia minim na me say ka 7,000 dia minim enti no me ko visa change ni ba na e wa na dan ko mo ko ji mai no ene na light ni ade be chena light ko off yes mo boss mo chi esika no enti me ko visa change ni ba wa na me tam shut up to Mr. Jakum Yakopon show o ma akwatentin eduma bi abe bia Yakopon onye wakoma so ade ma wo enti na me ni Mr. Jakum na me fa me ba na me ba no no so nim de ekoso me life bia me ba ya no so gie me ti se nwia ba no de me tra ne dem.
Shout out to Mr. Ajekum. Na Mr. Ajekum no oye Ghanaian.
Me pa cha wa
e de ni krampo kire se Ghanaian Ajekum Kumanshi of Kumanshi. Oh okay.
Me pa cha
inti Mr. Ajekum no ono na ope adwuma ma finally na oye agent e wa ha.
Me pa cha de onye agent
oye
obi a mo toto obi a person me fani ma enkoton na obe packaging
oye
cargo adwuma ni bi pa cha enti na me nim ne dada Dubai ya me di ho no oye good man enti me ba na me no me ni mo ni masam dada enti me ba ya no na wo gye mo na me tena ne fie na me start say me hwe adwuma
we si fie wa ha
me pa cha de wa ha dan ya
okay
and what Jimmy trying to me share to Mr. Sasa me hwe adwuma sa me di me nya be 2 months crowd for visa nim na me nya adwuma de me dio de me ye oni nyina ya Mr. Jakum aduane me dio bibia for 2 months am kwatra na wona die one city crowd one family bibia
one dane o ka one be so hwe
me pa cho debi
one se upe
me pa cho debi
enye TikTok
me pa cho debi one tisa crowd oh so want to say a good man
okay
a good man and you know me hwe adwuma ma nya no and na me say ana say for so adwuma yi say me fi say san ba be so ma me say de kum na be twa na say
why never twa
enti no for so adwuma yi say ma ye bi da me nim ye enti no say de na me fi okra na adan na me nsan nya dai en ko hwehwe say adwuma na bi na me nye na me frɛ me sister say ni say na ko no say na ebra na me gya me adwuma to na me no mie no na ya ko hwehwe adwuma na ya ko first company second company ya ko ya no mo se twa bo ya ko do one opa no to
satem na wa ko se san visa na ba foforo no
me pa cha no ma kwesa me visa na ba me twam
it is say awanya 3 months and I wa be spend it
me pa cha ma be spend 2 months ntina aka
1 month I be say o
ma be spend me van say 2 months na aka be 1 month
some few weeks
yes some few sa enti Mr. Frame me sister was in here brana yanko ko hwe adwuma no ye call one company call two company and I almost say area 12 me samra back me ko area 12 na one say na me ma me twa o ka say enti ko start adwuma no ye so no mu ya me ko ya me ko start ye no harum anywhere na me disi hey
yes
me disi hey
say at long last nyame ayebi nti wo akokwaduro watimi afasa niema we mu ni nyina so watimi agina opinten
sister nka obi ango be kofie
waya adie
minim kofo be bre adie so we atoma
efese na wasi ubupi se watu kwan eto de bia na wa bafom eto de bi nso na wa nkasa anana obi pushi obi advice you na
me yana na me ma me hon kuranshe because of say me dia to me to kwan so what ya say me to kwan
na wo ba no na odi obi ka wo efie
me kwa chere me ni obi aka
na odi obi aka ye no na ema wo timitina e say bia usan wachi kofi a nipa no kodan wo ka be ye dede anana ye ofere se wo kofi a ebe ofere se want to
I know say you want because baby na me ye adwuma wo circle no na amanfo ni me pa enipa me ne wo ye no na oye obi a nsem obi na nsem obi pa nti kamia me ka se me trase aye medwuma ke bi kura na sata no ka me komenim nti na sa ye ne me sa me bi na me sa ne nipa na me ne wo me ne ye adwuma no na ye shop kasi nti na me sa ko back to circle obi mu akoye adwuma no na ha me
we are
pants me ma just say there be say na me sibiti a me free wo ba ye na me konsa pan pa sa de me nti ase e se me mia mani na me de me fam bia no me fam na me gidi se sa na obia so ye me nya wa dwen se wotu kwan enti no me fan so be mti no dwan akofie de bi nim de e bia me kan obi ho na obi tu kwan a wose hanye memba e bia me ba na me ya ma me but nipa ne ba ya start dey no be bana ni break to be rise up so what you say enti na control the ensi obi akwan say
ni breakthrough bet me rise up sister Cynthia ye dance se waba
so me dance
we experience ni die mi ankasa a move me metina hodin so na ebi mu wo me enye easy why adie pa nti wo ma omo hwe wo a omo pese omo betu kwan die nkran hye a wo betimi di amom ana die na wo betimi di ato obifo a owo wo tibia we bi mu e wo you ha ana say wherever the person find he or herself
watch our photo akra me my me I was say somebody want to kwan mama obi simo kwan mama mo obi simo kwan because me na me ba na me fam say ya e bia wo de oba o mfa sa ne me but mo oba nso so a se mo nya obi okrom ho no ma obetimi a chirechire mo niam mo a mo ba mo be fam a mo ho nchire mo but obi ho mo ba o mo sare
timpo na ye di travel and see show ye de abai
obi ho ba o mo sare o fitin ya no wa fa ne bags mi tu kwan ye nye ne sa se woni mo obi a ubusebusa niema 1 2 3 bi se ne be ya won so beto ho fo ansa kwa no be dru ko ase enti me de me kakra me wo ama me nuanom na me sisters mo se o ba bra ye beje ofefe so ye no watna odom ne ye ne giem but mo ba mo musa ni nuanom am wo ha ma stranded am ho kire mo fa me de anya afutu nyame eti ase bibia be fine manu asi
nyame eti ase bibia be fine so sit only madi ba kwa me pe wo
me pa chode bi
upon the wi a wotie ni nyina wo ahombrase bia mi ahoaho amenyanka me yewu
me da ase
sa ahombrase no wo ho
me da
keep it up
me da ase
wo ahombrase pa enne na me ka kire wo show yesu
me pa chode me da ase nyame nshirawo
enshira wo so se waba enshira se wo so waba yedasi bebre Travel and See TV show eya mumbisa mun share Travel and See TV show yi na munya experience mun sua de na se mu tu kwan a mu de aka mo ho mu de ebi be hye mu bag mu pass mu say wallet mu se na be ya wo be stranded ta enya wo se nkwa na ebiase wie ya ba wo na ebi afem na eye nyame eni mpaye ye do bibiasi edina ni Beautiful Felicia 1 dear wa urebe fidie na wa ha me fa 1 ka ho Beautiful Felicia 1 se wo pese ubeye wote eye Beautiful Felicia number na midi tu ho no omodiana tie ni yi 0569 867187 edina ni Beautiful Felicia wa wo company bia wo pese ye mfantu dwama wo enye advert ma wo number na wo be san edina ni Beautiful Felicia mi botire mi share week eyelash makeup bibia mi yebi nti bomodiana na contact me ewo number yesu yeda mo ase mumma mpaye entime mu eni ahobrase ewo akwantu wi yeda mo ase makram bye bye.